Yes, good morning, students. First, you go through the things given in your practice paper, and those students who are attending the class online, they can also open the practice paper with them. The same pages are shared with you on the screen also. If you don't have the practice paper, you can look at the screen. Clear? What is report writing? Rupinder ma'am, please keep all of them mute.
Right, ma'am.
You have done this topic in 11th class also. It's not a new topic for you, but still for reminder or the revision, you must keep some important things in your mind when you attempt this report writing. It's very much clear from the name that you have to report something. As you were doing till 10th class, the reported speech, narrations, direct, indirect sentences हम करते थे. There also you report something. In the same way, it is in the form of a paragraph that you have to report about some event, some incident, some function, some accident. These type of things are to be given in the form of a report. You are the witness of that thing. You have seen those things, and then you report to others or in the form of a paragraph for the magazine or for some newspaper. Clear? In your practice paper, see what they are explaining about the report writing. A report is a factual and objective account of an incident or event. Objective means not subjective, means personal. आपने उसमें अपनी तरफ से ऐड नहीं करना कुछ भी. Whatever you are watching, whatever you look at, you have seen the things, accordingly you are to report. It is generally free from comments and observations. Means you are not to give any of your comments or any of your observations. It provides details in an easy to comprehend language. That means the language should be very simple, which should be easily understood by all. Its focus is on what means name and nature of incident or event. किस चीज के बारे में आप एक्सप्लेन करे जा रहे हो, दैट इज व्हाट, कैसा इंसिडेंट है और क्या इवेंट है. देन व्हेन, टाइम ऑफ इंसिडेंट, कब वो इंसिडेंट हुआ या इवेंट हुआ. वेयर, दैट मीन्स प्लेस वेयर द इंसिडेंट टुक प्लेस. And how means cause or in case of any accident, other such details. That means what important points should be covered in that report writing, what, when, where, how. All these particular, you can say the WH word should be answered in your report writing. Clear? Then a report can be short as well as long. A short report is generally a memo written by one person to another in the same organization. On the other hand, a long report is investigative in nature. In other words, it is descriptive article in which the reporter mentions the time and the place of the action and gives minute details of the action. Report writing is of two types. One is the short report, that is written by one person to the other in the same institution. क्लियर? जैसे हम स्कूल में कोई इवेंट होता है या हम कहीं बाहर कोई वर्कशॉप अटेंड करके आते हैं टीचर्स, तो हमें ये कहा जाता है दैट यू आर टू राइट द रिपोर्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्कशॉप एंड सबमिट इन द ऑफिस. और इंडिविजुअल फाइल्स जैसे टीचर्स की बनी होती हैं, इट इज पुट इन दैट and it is counted for the record that so and so teacher has attended this workshop. What we watch in that workshop, what we did in that workshop, and what we have achieved in the form of a short report we have to submit. That means one person submitted the report to other. That means as we submit the report to the principal of the school, in the file it is recorded. So this is in the same institution going on. That is short report. And when we have the long report, that is investigative in nature. उसमें investigation की form में होती है, or it is descriptive, just like the descriptive article. And the reporter mentions the time, place, reason. That means all these questions are answered there. What, when, where, how in the long report. Then there are two types of report. which you have in your syllabus. One is the report that is for the newspaper as a reporter or press correspondent. And the second report writing is as the student of school, the member of some club or head boy, head girl, or you have having any designation for any cultural committee or any committee or the club that is made in the school. Accordingly, you will write the report writing for that. A newspaper report covers criminal activities, social and political events, and religious functions. A business report deals with the problems of business organization. And in the examination, the student is generally asked to write a report either for the school magazine or for a newspaper as a reporter. Clear? So first thing what you are to keep it in mind is that while writing the report, you have to read the topic given to you carefully. Whether you are to write the report as a press correspondent or it is a report written by a student or some post holder student in the school for the school magazine. आपको पहली चीज ये क्लियर होनी चाहिए जब भी आप रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लिखना स्टार्ट करते हो. सो रीड द टॉपिक केयरफुली. आप टॉपिक ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ते हो. आप क्या करते हो, स्टार्टिंग पढ़ते हो आपको कि किस बारे में रिपोर्ट लिखनी है, यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग. You don't go through the whole topic and the detail carefully. And this time, as CBSE has introduced the new methods for all these topics, they will give you some situations in every question. Writing part में अगर आपकी letter writing है, notice writing है, या कुछ भी आप advertisement देते हो, sometimes you are given the situations. जैसे आपको advertisement में कोई newspaper की ad दे दी जाती है कि basing on that particular ad you have to write a notice or you have to write the advertisement accordingly for that, or some advertisement is there and you have to write the job application based on that advertisement. So in this way some situation can be given. Article writing hai, you will be given the situation particularly, accordingly you have to convert it into the form of an article. In the same way here also you can be given a situation. क्लियर. केस स्टडी जिसको आप साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स में आपके आ रहा है केस स्टडी वर्ड. इन द सेम वे इन इंग्लिश दे विल गिव यू सम सिचुएशन. So all the questions will be based on particular situations that is happening in your surroundings, so that you can link it with your real life experiences. Experiential based learning जिसको वो कह रहे हैं, particular word which they have used now. So you have to be very careful while reading the topic. Read the topic once, twice or thrice even. No problem is there for the time limit now. Your paper is not very lengthy. You can go through properly and carefully. Clear? Now after this, you must keep some tips in your mind for writing the report. We'll read these value points afterwards which are given in your practice paper. First note down some of the important points which are not given in your practice paper. You must note down. It is given in the PDF. I'll share it in the group also. Otherwise, you can see the link also because the screen is there and you can go through that also. What they say in that is a report gives a description of an event. Hence, it should be prepared in the same order in which the event has happened. That means the sequence of your report should be in that manner as the things are happening. That means the things should be reported in the sequence. आप शॉर्ट में पॉइंट क्या लिख सकते हो, all the things or the points should be mentioned, should be reported in sequence. First thing, a report should be clear, systematic and to the point. Very clear and simple language should be used. Now tips to write a report. This is the form of points in your practice paper only. Please write down these particular points. First is give a bold title heading to the report. That means you have to mention the title or the heading of your report. किस टॉपिक के बारे में, किस इवेंट के बारे में, किस फंक्शन के बारे में या किसी भी एक्सीडेंट के बारे में जब आप रिपोर्ट लिखने जा रहे हो, whatever the topic is, you have to give the heading because there are separate marks for the heading. फॉर्मेट के अंडर हेडिंग जो है वो लिया जाता है. अदरवाइज वो डायरेक्ट अगर 1 मार्क इसका रखा जाता है तो वो डायरेक्ट 1 मार्क माइनस हो जाता है. because in the CBSE examination, I have already told you, when marking is done, marks are written separately on your answer sheets. कि अगर उन्होंने marks को 3 parts में divide किया हुआ है, one is for the format, then for the content part, and the third one is for the expression and accuracy of the grammar and spelling, जिसमें आपके grammatical sentences structure और accuracy of your spellings is counted. और सेपरेट मार्क्स दिए जाते हैं हर एक के. सपोज 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करा है तो वी हैव टू राइट देयर सपोज 1 + 2 फिर टोटल 5 बनता है उसका. ठीक है. इन दिस वे द मार्किंग इज डन इन द बाइफरकेशंस. So don't miss it because it has separate marks, and if you don't write तो directly वहां 0 लिखा जाएगा. समझ रहे हो? Then first point, give a bold title heading to the report. It should be in the bold hand. Then write the name of the person reporting or writing it just below the heading. Give his or her designation also if mentioned. Beta, please note down these points in your practice paper only. Write down there. First, give heading. Second, simple short form में note करते जाइए. First point, heading. Second point, name of the person who is writing the report should be mentioned, जिसको हम article में क्या कहते हैं, byline आप कहते हो ना, in the same way. And then with that you have to mention the designation of that person, whatever the designation is mentioned to you in the topic. Sometimes it is given, sometimes it is not given. So what you have to write here, you can assume yourself also the designation if it is not mentioned. Suppose you are writing there ABC और न्यूज़पेपर के लिए रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हो तो आप वहां लिख सकते हो प्रेस कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट. ठीक है. Sometimes they give you the designation, sometimes it is not mentioned, and if it is for the newspaper you can write there press correspondent, and if it is for the school magazine you can write down head girl or head boy or secretary of the cultural club according to the topic. If the cultural topic, some function activity of the school is given, then it can be cultural, or mention the name of some particular club if it is related to that. You have to see the topic. Otherwise, head boy and head girl, simple is correct if no designation is given. Then the third point is the date and place of the event are very important parts of a report and must be written before the beginning of the report. You have to write the date and place of the event. If it is for the newspaper, please note down place and date of the event, कि किस दिन वो घटना घटी और कहां पर घटी. That means when and where, दोनों का आंसर आ गया इसमें. ठीक. Then a report should be prepared in 3-4 short paragraphs. They can be arranged as follows. रिपोर्ट में आपका सिंगल पैराग्राफ नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be divided into 3 or 4 paragraphs. और उन 3-4 paragraphs को आप कैसे divide कर सकते हो? First paragraph should contain a brief account of the event that is being reported in 1-2 lines. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपने क्या लिखना है? जिस इवेंट के बारे में आप एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हो, यू हैव टू मेंशन अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर इवेंट इन 1 or 2 lines. Clear? Then the second and third paragraph should contain the details of the incident, accident, such as what, how, where, when it happened, along with any special happening, action, mishap, casualties, losses, etc. That means second and third paragraph जिसमें आप उस event के बारे में details दोगे. That means the detail of the event. क्लियर? जिसमें आपने सारा कुछ एक्सप्लेन करना है कि घटना कैसे घटी, उसमें स्पेशल क्या क्या हैपनिंग्स हुई, क्या एक्शन जो है वो पुलिस के द्वारा या गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स के द्वारा या लोगों के द्वारा, जो भी विटनेस थे वहां पर आसपास लोग जो देख रहे थे उस घटना को, उन्होंने क्या एक्शंस लिए. एनी मिस हैपनिंग, कुछ उसमें गलत हुआ किसी के साथ, कोई कैजुअलिटीज हुई, सपोज कोई एक्सीडेंट है तो किसी की डेथ का लॉस हुआ, कोई उसमें डेथ हुई, या किसी का कोई पार्ट इंजर हुआ या किसी का पार्ट कोई डैमेज हुआ, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैजुअलिटीज. एंड लॉसेस, या अगर कोई और फायर का केस है या कुछ ऐसा है तो उसमें क्या डैमेज हुआ, क्या लॉस हुआ. सो दीज टाइप ऑफ ऑल डिस्क्रिप्शंस आर टू बी गिवन इन पैराग्राफ 2 and 3. Clear? Then the fourth paragraph should include action taken, action required, along with the concluding remarks. द फोर्थ पैराग्राफ जो है उसमें आप क्या दोगे कि जो भी वहां पर ऑफिशियल्स पहुंचे, अथॉरिटीज के लोग पहुंचे, सपोज किसी ने कंप्लेंट कर दी, कोई एक्सीडेंट था तो वहां पर पुलिस वाले आ गए, या कोई चोरी हुई, कोई रॉबरी हुई है, कोई फायर का इंसिडेंट हुआ है तो फायर ब्रिगेड वाले आए, या वहां पर कोई पुलिस के लोग, जो भी ऑफिशियल्स आए, उन्होंने क्या एक्शन लिया और क्या एक्शन रिक्वायर्ड था. Sometimes they don't reach on time, and whatever the action was required, that can be mentioned with your conclusion. And here you can add 1 or 2 lines from your side that these type of decisions were taken or these type of actions were taken, but this can also be done. Or to avoid those type of incidents, what should be done? That is your suggestion. In maximum 1 or 2 lines, that should be the conclusion from your side in the last paragraph. Then note down one very important point. A report is written in third person. Don't use first and second person. आपने I नहीं use करना, you को use नहीं करना, मीन्स फर्स्ट और सेकेंड पर्सन यूज नहीं करने. किस पर्सन में रिपोर्ट लिखनी है? थर्ड पर्सन में. आपने ही, शी, इट, दे के साथ जो भी रिपोर्ट है वो मेंशन करनी है. देन यूज प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स and ensure that the language, grammar and spellings are correct. Be particular for this thing that you are using proper punctuation mark, क्योंकि कई बार कई जगह पर कॉमा डालने की जरूरत होती है या फुल स्टॉप की जरूरत होती है, आप उसको मिस कर जाते हो तो लाइन का मीनिंग जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. सो बी पर्टिकुलर फॉर द यूज ऑफ पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स एंड check once again about your language, grammar and the spellings, especially those words which are given in the topic. आपको जो सिचुएशन दी गई है या आपको जो टॉपिक दिया गया है, इफ द वर्ड इज यूज्ड इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक एंड यू आर राइटिंग रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स, that will be very much taken against the marks. Marks will be deducted for that in language and especially in plus 2. So be particular. इस बार आपने पेपर में क्या किया हुआ था? You were given the poems lines and the word quite was written there, and I think 80% students wrote wrong spellings. Be particular. Whatever the word is given in the question paper, that spelling should not be wrong. Please check before writing from the question paper only. वहीं पे आपके पास स्पेलिंग है, अगर आपको कहीं डिफिकल्टी लग रही है, गेट इट क्लियर फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन पेपर. दैट स्पेलिंग शुड नॉट बी रॉन्ग, क्योंकि उसके लिए बहुत कंसिडर किया जाता है कि प्लस 2 में आकर भी बच्चा ऐसी केयरलेस मिस्टेक्स जो है वो करे, तो दैट एक भी मिस्टेक आ जाती है ना तो आधा नंबर कट जाता है. स्पेलिंग्स की हो, टेंस की हो, 2 मिस्टेक्स के लिए वो हाफ कहते हैं, लेकिन अगर 1 मिस्टेक भी होगी तो भी हाफ कटेगा, 3 होंगी तो 1 कटेगा, 4 मिस्टेक्स का 1 मार्क कट जाता है. क्वेश्चंस में भी, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस में भी, अगर 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है तो 1 फॉर द कंटेंट, 1 फॉर द एक्सप्रेशन एंड ग्रामर एक्यूरेसी. तो उसमें स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स भी काउंट होती हैं लैंग्वेज में. बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में इग्नोर हो सकती है बट लैंग्वेज में नहीं इग्नोर होती. क्लियर? देन डू नॉट एक्सीड द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड वर्ड लिमिट. वेरी पर्टिकुलर. Whatever the word limit is given to you, according to new pattern, now it is given to you 100 to 120 words. Earlier it was 120 to 150. इससे पहले 10 marks में आ रहा था 150 to 200 words. So whatever the word limit is written in your question paper, go accordingly, because still some changes may be expected from CBSE, so we are not sure about it. Whatever it is, be particular for that. Clear? Then come to your practice paper. They have given you the value points for some of the topics, which points are to be considered when you write report writing. In your practice paper, the guidelines word is written. These are the value points for different topics. First given is event, activity, फंक्शन, कि कोई इवेंट है, कोई एक्टिविटी है या कोई फंक्शन है, तो आपने कौन से पॉइंट्स जो हैं अपने माइंड में रखने हैं रिपोर्ट राइटिंग लिखते हुए. नेम ऑफ द इवेंट मस्ट बी मेंशन, occasion, situation. It is better to remember these words, these hints, and when you start writing the report, you should write it on the rough column of your sheet and then tick one by one कि क्या आपने इन सारे पॉइंट्स को कवर कर लिया है. It is better to make your rough draft in this way, only write these points, and after writing check once and tick mark whether you have covered all these value points or any other value point given in the question paper. That should also be considered. Sometimes they give you the name of the event, they give you the occasion, they give you the date also. Then date should be written that only which is given to you in the topic. The same sometimes it happens in the notice also. और नोटिस में आप सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक क्या करते हो, आपको डेट दी जाती है कुछ और उस इवेंट की, और आप नोटिस इशू होने की डेट जो है वो करंट लेटेस्ट लिख देते हो जिस दिन आप पेपर दे रहे हो, वो आपसे उससे मैच नहीं करती कई बार. So think before writing. The date of issue can be changed according to the date given to you, but you cannot change that date which is given in your topic. Clear? So keep it in mind. Name of the event must be there, occasion और situation कि अगर कोई particular event celebrate किया जा रहा है, कोई function या कोई activity की जाती है, तो उसको किस situation में, किस occasion पे किया जा रहा है. कई बार किसी great leader का या किसी personality का कोई birthday होता है, तो उसकी celebration के ऊपर event या activity की जाती है, तो that is the occasion or the situation that should be given. Then time, date and place must be mentioned. Name and designation of the chief guest. If it is an event or an activity or some function, some chief guest should be there. You must mention the name of that chief guest and the designation of that particular person. Description of the event. Then you have to describe how the event was held, what things were done in that. Then the chief guest will be giving some address also, some speech also. You are to give the gist of that speech in brief कि उसने चीफ गेस्ट ने क्या स्पीच दी, क्या उन्होंने कहा, उसको 2-3 लाइंस में उसका जिस्ट जो है वो आपने देना है. देन नेम एंड डेजिग्नेशन ऑफ द पर्सन हु थैंक्ड द चीफ गेस्ट, कि जब चीफ गेस्ट आता है तो उसका वेलकम भी होता है, उसका थैंक्स भी होता है. यू कैन मेंशन द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हु इज thanking or welcoming the chief guest. Then at the end of some these type of functions, we have refreshments also. You can mention that also, tea and snacks. And then comments about the function, event and program. That is the conclusion from your side. Clear? Then next is if there is any accident or any criminal activity, what should be kept in mind? What happened? Means according to that activity or the accident or the criminal point of view, what happened, then time, place and date, persons involved, कौन से लोग उस एक्टिविटी में इन्वॉल्व थे या उस एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व थे, डेथ्स और इंजरीज टू पर्संस, क्या कैजुअलिटीज हुई, रोल ऑफ पुलिस, पुलिस वहां पहुंची तो उन्होंने क्या रोल प्ले करा, क्या एक्शन लिया, सपोर्ट ऑफ द पीपल, सपोज देयर वाज सम एक्सीडेंट तो आसपास जो लोग थे आई विटनेस उन्होंने कैसे उनको सपोर्ट करा, वेदर दे टुक देम टू द हॉस्पिटल, दे गेव देम सम फर्स्ट एड और नॉट, these type of supporting activities by the people. Then order of inquiry by the government, whether the police has reported and some inquiry is ordered by the government for that particular case or not. Negligence of the persons concerned, कि वो accident हुआ कैसे, उसमें किसकी negligence, सपोज दो व्हीकल्स हैं वो आपस में कोलाइड कर रहे हैं तो उसमें किसकी, लोग जो हैं आसपास आई विटनेस हैं वो उसमें किसको कह रहे हैं कि वो केयरलेस था या किसकी गलती हो सकती है, वॉट एवर द ओपिनियन ऑफ द पीपल इज हु वर प्रेजेंट एट दैट मोमेंट एट द स्पॉट. देन अरेस्ट ऑफ द क्रिमिनल्स, इफ देयर इज एनी क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी, वेदर द क्रिमिनल्स वर अरेस्टेड और दे रन अवे, that must be mentioned. Grants to the kin of the killed and the injured, and if any casualties happen, some deaths are there, whether the government has announced any grant or compensation to those injured persons or to the relatives of the person who has died. Sometimes the government grant these type of grants or some money and they sometimes they offer the treatment of those injured persons also, that they will be treated free or some other type of compensation or some grants are given to them. So in this way, all these points are to be kept in mind. Now come to the next page. We'll have a reading of one sample report that is given in your practice paper only. I've not taken anything else so that it is easy for you also to understand. So look at the sample given on page 254. Recently, your school held a seminar on conservation of water as a part of World Water Day celebration. Note down, it is a seminar held in your school on conservation of water, the topic given, और किस occasion पर celebrate किया गया as a part of World Water Day celebration. Occasion different है, event का नाम different दिया गया है. As a school pupil leader of Maryland School, Gurugram, write a report in 150 to 200 words for a local daily. Local daily होता है newspaper that is published in your area. Sign as Pritham or Preeti. You are given the name also. You are given the name of the school also. You are given the designation also. So you have to note down all these points while reading the topic carefully. Don't miss any of these points which is given in the question paper. And don't add from your side the name or the things what are given there. You have to use that only. So the heading given, conservation of water. Then byline, the writer's name is given, Preeti. You can add here people leader of Maryland School. You can add the name also because it is a report for the newspaper. Okay. Then last week, one more thing which is not given in those steps, that report is always in the past tense. Mind it. Don't use future and present. It is always in the past tense. At the end, whatever the conclusion or your comments you are giving, there the tense can be changed. That you can add in the present or the future according to the requirement, whatever is there, what should be done. अगर आप कोई suggestions दे रहे हो, so that should be in the form of suggestions. But whatever is happening and in that event or activity in the function about which you are going to write the report, that should be in the past only. Here now see they have started from last week हमें automatically बता रहा है कि हमने इसमें past tense use करना है. A seminar on conservation of water as a part of World Water Day celebration was held in our school. Can you recognize the form of the sentence used here? Was held. Which tense is used here? Anyone out of you? Which tense is used? Yes, Amanveer? Past किस form में है? Was held, was plus third form. It is not past indefinite, not past continuous. Yes, yes.
Perfect.
Who is speaking?
Molly, past perfect.
No, it is not past perfect. Yes, it is not past perfect continuous even. No form of the simple past forms. कौन सा sentence construction कौन सी है देखो. You have done voice. करे थे 10th तक grammar में कभी voice? Which form is this? It is the passive form. Mind it. Whenever we use helping verb with the third form, it is passive form. क्योंकि किसी भी टेंस में हेल्पिंग वर्ब के साथ थर्ड फॉर्म यूज नहीं होती है. सिंपल हेल्पिंग वर्ब जैसे परफेक्ट में भी आप लेते हो हैज हैव के साथ थर्ड फॉर्म है, लेकिन बीन ऐड हो जाता है तो उसके साथ पैसिव फॉर्म बन जाती है. एंड इन द रिपोर्ट राइटिंग द सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन शुड बी इन द पैसिव फॉर्म. नोट डाउन वन मोर पॉइंट. इन पास्ट मोस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंसेस आर यूज्ड इन द पैसिव फॉर्म. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना है इस चीज का. देन second paragraph. The deputy commissioner of Gurugram was the chief guest. Many teachers from different schools of the city participated in the seminar. यहाँ simple past आ रहा है, mix मत कर देना कि नहीं है यहाँ पर. Our principal thanked the participants and initiated the discussion on the topic. क्या happenings हुई वहाँ पर, वो सारी past में है. The main speaker read his paper. This is the second form used here. Read and stressed on the need to consume water. This is exposition or the development or the details of the event given to you in the third paragraph. The water level on the ground had gone down. If the people did not take care in the present, their future would be very dark. Note down the sentence construction here. Which part of construction is used here in this sentence? What is this grammar part used here? When two sentences are combined, clauses करे होंगे आपने. Yes, conditional sentences are there and conditional sentences के rule भी mind में रखने हैं. Grammar को 10th तक जो करी हमने भूलना नहीं है, even +1 में भी करी है आपने. Those grammar rules are to be used everywhere and kept in mind, because these things are considered. That's why board has not given any grammar topic in +2, because they feel you have become perfect in grammar now till +1. And don't commit these type of mistakes. These are considered very much in the language. बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में इग्नोर हो जाएगा. आप साइंस में कहीं भी कुछ भी मिस्टेक करा जाते हो, टेंसेस की, स्पेलिंग्स की, वो कंसिडर नहीं होती. But in language it is considered. And for the conditional sentences, this is the second pattern used. Past plus would, could, should plus first form. Second pattern is used. You must revise these grammar rules if it is not clear. If the people did not take care in the present, their future would be very dark. It was possible that the next world war would be fought on the issue of water. Then in the last paragraph with conclusion, the participants raised certain points. Uska reaction kya hua? The participants raised certain points and requested the main speaker to highlight the methods to conserve water. Uska solution dhunda gaya kuch na kuch. The speaker suggested that the government should check the misuse of water by the individuals. The government should enact a law which should empower the government to have full control over the water. Government के लिए भी suggestions दी गई, अपने level पे भी individuals को क्या करना चाहिए उस problem को solve करने के लिए, that type of suggestions are also given. So the government should enact a law which should empower the government to have full control over the water. A lively discussion followed. Means स्पीकर में और पार्टिसिपेंट्स में एक डिस्कशन जो थी वो प्रॉपर हुई. दे आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर क्वेरीज वर सॉल्व्ड, देयर आंसर्स वर गिवन, सम सजेशंस वर आल्सो गिवन. द प्रिंसिपल समड अप द डिस्कशन and invited all over a cup of tea in the school hall. That is the conclusion, or at the ending part, the refreshment or thanks words are given. You can add 1 or 2 lines of your comments also at the end, but not long comments. बहुत लंबी चौड़ी कहानी नहीं देनी है. 1 or 2 lines that these type of activities should be conducted to make the people as well as the students aware about the problems and to find out the solutions. अगर कुछ ऐसा केस है, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम है, तो उसके लिए आप अपील की फॉर्म में भी एक लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो, दैट वी शुड बी अलर्ट फॉर सच थिंग्स, अदरवाइज वी कैन फेस प्रॉब्लम्स इन द फ्यूचर. सो वी, दिस इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर एंड वी हैव टू बी केयरफुल फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड. क्लियर? So in your practice paper, you are given the topics